Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. Where you can, guys, expect to find the fuses for the ECU, also known as ECM or PCM. Go ahead and open the hood, guys, on that generation Dodge Ram. Once you open the hood, right in front of the car battery on the driver's side, you see that cover here that you have. Go ahead, guys, okay, and press these two notches. Once you do that, it opens, and on the inside you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the ECU, ECM, PCM, guys, we need to check up to 7 different fuses. Let's zoom in a little bit. You may have all of them or just some of them, depending on which engine and which year Dodge Ram you have. The first one that you need to check, okay, will be fuse number 21. You may have or may not have that one. 22 will be the next one right next to it. After that, we need to check fuse number 57 right here. Very important fuse. The next one that we need to check is fuse number 64 right here. That's fuse number 64. After that, we need to check fuse number 72 right there, guys, the 10 amp fuse in our case. Next, you need to check fuse number 78, which will be right here, that fuse. And we may need to check fuse number 77, okay, 77, so it will be 78 and 77, these two fuses, okay, right here will need to be checked. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.